on our way to see another property right now to do another video though. This is another enclosed community, a little bit more cottage-like setting. It's just an amazing unit though. These were all cottages way back when, and now they're just. This was a big cottage way back when. Now what they did, they split it in little bits, and now we have like a ton of little cottages though, but it's just amazing. Today on this property that we're gonna see is actually really beautiful. We're actually at the entrance of the property though. Property is in a gated community in El Retiro. Property is super big, it's beautiful though, it's got an amazing views though, and like I said, this is the property we're gonna see today. Now, let's go look at it. This is the house. We're gonna go first around the house. It's got parking. It's got a very ample parking, which is actually really good though. With the storage back there, and more. But look at the spaces though. It's just gorgeous. Isn't that nice though? Look at this, all this space to park your cars and motorcycles. Also to notice, look at that view though. Look at that beautiful view from this property though. It's just gorgeous. Let's go. We're gonna go around the house. Nice, beautiful landscape. Look at all this. The lot is full of trees and flowers, as you can see. This is actually a little hill. Look at that. It's surrounded by green, which is actually beautiful. It's got a corridor all around the house, which is actually amazing. See? We're gonna see inside the house in a little bit though. For now, we're just gonna walk around here. See? We got the groundskeeper right there, working on having this property beautiful all the time. Check it out, it's just gorgeous. This house, as you can see, it's got now all this property that we're gonna be showing you in this channel very close to this area, because we love this area. This is where we live, so we know this area way better than other areas, I guess though. But so check it out. We're gonna go inside the house in a minute through the main door. Now this house, never been here before, so let's see what we have. Let's see what we see inside the house though. Let's see. Check this out. This is beautiful though. I think it's so gorgeous. Look at this outside the house. More corridors. And check it out. And spaces to enjoy. Now, I wanna go through here. I wanna see that. There's a little lake back there. There's the roads and there's flowers everywhere. It is a beautiful day. I love this property. Flowers, and more flowers. Yes. Gorgeous. Green all around. Beautiful. The house is empty at the moment. It's not occupied. You can actually get to see and get a better view of all the spaces. This is the common area, obviously. We have a open kitchen, open spaces in the kitchen. See that? It's actually really cool though, because you can get to look at all that. Nice size door. It's got the, obviously, look at the entrance to the back, to that terrace in the back. Gorgeous chimney. Now we're going to the rooms. We have carpet in here, so we're walking on the carpet. Make sure we don't dirty anything up. So this is the studio space. Entrance. See, it's nice and green. Now let's go discover this. got one bedroom right here. Beautiful. Obviously, it's got this walk-in closet and everything that you need. Let's go here. Let's go back here and check that out. That's a washroom right here. There it is. I say this is one of those nice washrooms though. It's got an entrance through here, an entrance to there, a walk-in closet right here. Big. It's connected. We're gonna get back here and check it out. There's another room right here. I guess it's like a little spacious room. We're gonna be walking in here. And now, I guess that bedroom cannot go in here now. So this is, actually, we went through this one already. So, let's go. Let's go see if we can actually get through here though. Oh. This apartment has actually this house has a separate apartment. It goes through this door and it goes through the back door. To notice, this property has actually maids quarters, laundry area, obviously, pantries, really good pantries, good washrooms. Obviously, it's a modern house, as you can tell. LED lighting everywhere. It's just an amazing house. It's just one of those houses that you really like to see. Everybody's got a little apartment. We're gonna go look at it right now though. I think it goes through here. And check it out. It's actually really cool. Oh my god, this is very nice. It's a very small apartment within this property. Beautiful. Look at the top right here. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. This is an apartment that comes with the house, the main house. Look at it, gorgeous, beautiful. It's got a little office right here. Perfect. With that view, imagine that. Gorgeous painting. This way, and this apartment also has its own laundry area. That's amazing. Everything that works. It's got everything that you want. And look at the apartment, look at the master bedroom. It's actually really good. Very nice. Very nice. Look at this. It's also part of this little apartment. Gorgeous. Got this little terrace right here. If you wanna have family over, if you wanna have your mother-in-law, your mom, and anybody, this actually is really good though because it's got an apartment inside the property, which you're together, but you're completely separated. So it's actually really good though because it's a complete unit, one bedroom, really good living room and dining room, open kitchen, amazing though. Look at it. It's just, I know we already seen it, but let's look at it again though. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What else you want? We're now outside the property. This is the roadway to get here though. All the neighbors have beautiful houses. Like, I mean, this is that beautiful, beautiful, beautiful unit though. It's one of those things that you say, oh my God, really? This thing does exist? Wow, That's my Beetle. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? And we're so close to everything. It's not even funny. We're about 25 minutes, 30 minutes from the airport. Same distance from the city. Gorgeous. We go look more properties now. Bye. This is it for this property. Like, share, subscribe. Ask me any questions. Give me a call. My phone number, all my information is right there. Please like, share, subscribe. It works. We're here to give you the best service in Medellin. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas, realestatemedellin.info. Bye-bye.